What's going on, everybody? Hope you enjoyed your weekend with your family. I know I did, but hey, personally, I'm ready to get back to this market. So without any more talking to distract you, let's get to those charts. First banger that we got on the list, everybody. Ticker symbol TSLA. Tesla. So for all my Tesla bag holders out there, drop a T in the chat, drop a race car, let me know you've been making money on Tesla. Tesla is a good stock. I mean, it's all right as long as Elon's there, right? Let's get to our 4-hour chart. On our 4-hour chart, to be honest, guys, when I look at this and when I see something like this, what I want to see is I want to see this get broken, this pattern, this behavior. You get you get up to the Fibonacci level at the the 236 Fibonacci. You get up to 350. You flip it one time for one 4-hour candle, but the next 4-hour candle you come crashing down. And then you do the same thing here. You know, you got two little baby candles holding the support and you go up, but then you come crashing down. So, I mean, to be honest, to get in the calls, if I was to get in a call for Tesla next week, you guys, man, I'll be honest, man, let's zoom out. Let's see what type of history we got at this level. Yeah. You guys, we got a history showing that we've only broken this level. Look, 1, 2... We've only broken this level a few times, man. A few times. We never held it for a day. Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it on the hour chart. No, I didn't think so. Yeah, we haven't even closed one single day above that 350 Fibonacci. It's only $5 away, and Tesla's super volatile. So to be honest and to be fair, if I was to get in calls for Tesla, I would need to see it closed Monday or Tuesday above 350. If I can see it close, one day above 350, give me 1 day above 350. If you give me 1 day above 350, you're probably going to give me, 2 or 3, maybe even 4 candles that are above 350 on a 4-hour time frame. And that right there, that would make me bullish. That would give me the sentiment, okay, I'm going to get in Tesla at 350, and I'm going to ride it to 362. I'm going to make the money. Soon as it hits 362, I'm hopping out. If it starts to go over there, I'll wait. It's in the undiscovered price territory. I'll wait till it comes back down. If it breaks down and it comes spiraling down, right? We know we don't have support there. It's been shown in the past that there's no support there, you guys. You can look on the chart. There's no support at all. There's no support. You get there once, boom, you break it. You get there twice, no big buys. Look at the volume. Volume there is only 4.32 million. That was 7.49 million. You see what I'm saying? No volume. But then you fall on back down. So when it comes to Tesla, you guys, be careful this week. To be honest, I'm a buyer of the puts under this 50-day EMA. If we can break this 50-day EMA, 1 4-hour close above the 332, then I'll probably ride that down to 284 to its next support. Possible to pick up at 312. It looks like we've done that a couple times. Yeah, we picked it up a couple times from there. So maybe write it down from 332 to 312, to where we know it's been supported at. We know for sure it's been supported at it once. Got off there twice, so it took off from that Fibonacci, right? So if it breaks that, it's a good chance. Then we got the trend line coming up too down there. So, Tesla, everybody, be careful. Tesla's not something that I'm encouraging anybody to hop in at this point in time based on my strategy. Everybody has their own strategy, but hey, to each his own. I know our strategy over here at this channel is winning. So, as far as the options trading goes, that's my target price analysis for Tesla, you guys. Next banger on the list we'll go over. Let's check out Amazon, everybody. Amazon. You guys, I don't know if you rode the 208. Whenever you see Amazon at $200, $199, $198, anytime you see that, oh my God, get ready. Get ready. We're going to have a massive explosion every time. We go out on our list. You can look at it. I mean, the chart speaks for itself, you guys. You can look at it right there. You see where, let's get this out of here. You see the first time we broke 200, we took all the way up. Went all the way up to 213, came back down and went right all the way up to 215.99. Came back down to this level, got supported at the 200. Got supported at the 199. 199 got supported right here. 197, major support, and we're running off that major support right now, guys. I am a fan of Amazon this week, you guys. After looking at the chart, I am a fan of Amazon. If Amazon can give me one 4-hour candle close, and I'd like to see it close for 1 4-hour above this resistance, which has shown us This is definitely resistance right here. We can go ahead and draw a line of resistance right there because we've been rejected right there multiple times. We've been rejected right there multiple times. And so if we can close above that, where we got coming up, let's see. We can even bring this down a little bit if we want to. That's how close it is. Yeah, we can even bring that down right there. Boom. What is that? 208.93. If we can get one 4-hour candle close above the 208.93, then I'm a buyer of Amazon for the calls to 215, and I'll try to buy it as it comes and retest the 8-day EMA, which will probably, if it closes a 4-hour candle, guys, above 208, you can more than likely get the 8-day EMA will go to like 207, 207.50 or something like that, which would be a great time to buy in for the calls, right? You know, you got to, read the charts, you guys. It's not, I promise, you can watch YouTube guys all day long, and I do too sometimes to get information as far as that goes. But one thing that frustrates me the most is people would just say, hey, this is the next hot stock. This is the next hot stock. But why? Why? It's not because the news you hear, right? Because 9 times out of 10, price is already baked into that. So there's no reason to go off the news. The news, you buy the rumor, sell the news, right? That's the rule of the game. So to be fair, that's what I'm looking for. And on this channel, you're going to get that. I'm not just going to tell you, oh, yeah, this is a good buy. Next banger on the list, Google. And Google's going to be a good buy. And no, this is why Google is a good buy. This is why Amazon is a good buy, right? This area, look at this. Come on. Riding off the trend, right? The last time it rode off the trend, you guys, you can see it clear as day. It shot all the way up. It shot all the way up. It got off the trend, right? It got off the trend. And then it, come on now. It bounced off the trend. Okay, this wants to play with me. It's all good. We'll get it out of here. It bounced off the trend right here, and then it shot up, you guys. From this time, which was on November 4th. From November 4th or November 5th, if you would have been in it, you would have made almost 10.5% within a week. Within a week. And if you know how I do things, and I'll tell you guys, I usually don't buy options for the same week, right? No, I mean, to be honest, to be fair, I typically will buy options in the 3rd week of the month. And if you go to your open interest and your volume, that you'll see why. You know, big whales and most people, they tend to buy at the 3rd week of the month, right? So I try to copy them. Hey, it's worked for them, and they've got in positions of great financial gain. And so, hey, I'm doing the same thing they're doing. And on this channel, we're using the same analysis they're using, man. It's not rocket scientist, man, when you know what you're doing. And so going in, I'll say this about Amazon, going into next week, Monday or Tuesday, if I can see Amazon break my 208.93 resistance level that I got set right now, and I can see it hold that for support, guess what? I'm all in. All right? I'm all in on the calls. But if Amazon breaks the 206, I would not put it. I wouldn't put Amazon. It's so close right now to its support level of 201 that I wouldn't even put it. I wouldn't put it unless we get up to 216, and then I made the money from the call option, and then I see 1 4-hour bearish candle close after the 215.99. That lets me know that, hey, it didn't make it in this 4 hours. It dang sure ain't going to make it in this next 4 hours. Chances are we have a chance to ride it to the next support, but you got support at EMA levels. That's why they're there, you know what I mean? So yeah, this week, you guys, I am bullish on Amazon calls. I like to see some 4-hour market sales, get that RSI down, get that MACD line, let's get back under the signal line, right? Let us know that it's a good buy for us. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. You know what? I'll leave you guys with another one. Let's see. Oh, let's do Palantir. Palantir is looking pretty consistent. I mean, it's looking consistent for sure. You know what I mean? It's definitely looking consistent. To be honest, once again, I mean, you got to see these levels for yourself. I mean, you're seeing this thing. Let's see. You're seeing this thing reject this $67 multiple. It's rejected the 67.88 level. Rejected it. Let's get our arrows up. Once. twice. Looks like a rejection right here, even though it was small. And every one of these resulted in higher lows. And I get that. I really get that. But look how extended this thing is, man. This thing is way overextended on all levels. MACD, RSI, it's overextended on the 4-hour. On the daily, it is super overextended, man. Palantir might be seeing a correction soon, man. I get there's a lot of guys out there that love Palantir and all this kind of stuff. But, I mean, you know, what is their market cap? 152. And the price earnings? Man, I don't know, man. I don't know about Palantir, you guys. We got some bullishness. You know, we got some bullishness. For those who are holding Palantir for the long-term trade, you know, I can see you wanting to do that. You know, I can see it. But I'm not a buyer of Palantir until I see it come retest to $50. Like, I'm sorry. I think that right now it's just too overextended for me to get into calls on Palantir. You know, to be honest, it's just too overextended for me. If I can see it flip, because if it flips the top resistance, right, and it turns that into support, well, then we're in undiscovered price territory, right? And we've never been in that territory before, so we have no clue how it's going to respond. So, like I said with Palantir, I'm more looking towards looking at this chart, I am more looking towards the puts on Palantir. I'm looking towards the puts. I do believe Palantir will come up here and retest this level again. It could break it. It could. But there wasn't as much buying pressure here as there was here. I mean, look at the difference in the buying pressure. Look at the buying pressure. Look at the difference in the buying pressure from here. And then it got sold, and then for some reason, magically, it took off while it was getting sold out, right? But this buying pressure is really not a lot. It's not a lot of buying pressure. So for me, you guys, I like to see Palantir break the 6609. If I see 1 hour candle close above the 6609, and let's go here to our hour candle chart just to make sure. So if we get a 1 hour candle close, I honestly, to be honest, I would like to see an hour candle close above the 50-day, below the 50-day EMA. If we can get 1 hour candle close to break the 50-day EMA, then on Palantir, you guys, I think we can come down to 62 easy before we're supported again, right there at the 200-day EMA. And we ain't been at the 200-day EMA since November 4th, it looks like. Since Monday, November 4th. So we're due to come back. We're due to come back. The 50 and the 8's been holding up there for a long time, but this could be a good week for Palantir to come retest, to be honest with you. There it is. Amazon, Tesla, and Palantir. If you guys enjoy this content, please hit a like, please hit a subscribe. Make sure you share this with your family who's interested. It's crypto season. Hey, it's the time to be alive. It's the time to be in stocks. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.